हाय हाय ये है मेरा जुलाई रीडिंग रैप अप प्लस अगस्त। वो तो सबसे पहली बुक मैंने ये महीने पढ़ी है। राइट नाउ आई जस्ट फिनिश लाइक 2 days ago. The book is Zodiac Academy. Here's the thing, it was bad, like it was trash. 2 star रेटिंग दिया है मैंने लिजिट इनको ये बुक को। एंड it's a YA fantasy fiction story about fays and fairies and dragons होते हैं, shifters. Wow, shape shifters, vampire, सब कुछ होता है इनके वर्ल्ड में. So basically story about these two twins, Vega twins बोलते हैं उनको. And अगेन एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे है, टाइटल से अगर समझ नहीं रहा हो तो ज़ोडिएक एकेडमी. सो द स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट दिस टू वुमन. 18 साल की वो लोग हो जाते हैं एंड देव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ हसल एंड स्ट्रगल. जहाँ पे भी वो रह रहे हैं, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली यूएस में ही रह रहे हो आई गेस. दे गो थ्रू द फॉस्टर सिस्टम. पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं उन दोनों को एंड अनाथ होते हैं. एंड 18 जैसे ही टर्न होते हैं वैसे somebody tries to find these two women and then this guy is like, okay, so you are fae born, you're fairies and fae born basically, and you need to come enter our world, get educated. You are the most powerful phase of the world and आपके parents were the most strongest, most powerful gods, whatever. And they are shocked and they are surprised and they are taken to this world. And now ये दो अबला नारिया, they had no idea कि they had so much power, so much elemental power in their hands. So water, earth, air and fire, ये 4 एलिमेंट है. एंड ऑब्वियसली चारों एलिमेंट थे, सबको चारों एलिमेंट नहीं मिलते हैं. ये दोनों लड़कियों के पास चारों एलिमेंट थे एंड दे आर सपोज टू बी कंसिडर टू बी द, जिनके पास चारों एलिमेंट होता है वो सब दे आर सपोज टू बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट आउट ऑफ द नॉर्मल जनरल क्राउड. यूजुअली क्राउड को 1 या 2 एलिमेंट मिलते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, एंड 2 इज़ अ लॉट, स्टिल अ लॉट. सो दे एंटर द स्कूल एंड दो बेचारी अबला नारी इतना बुली होते वो लोग, इतना बुली होते, इतना बुली होते, कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ बुली बुली बुली. इट्स जस्ट सो messed up, so messed up. And then you add the F4. Have you seen Boys Over Flower वाला show? Like the F4, like they are like 4-5 guys. वैसे ही होता है इसमें. The heirs to the throne, जिसके लिए सब fight कर रहे होते हैं. So there are these 4 hot guys and everybody now, these 2 girls, Vega girls, are obsessed with the 4 hot guys and the hot guys are obsessed with the girl and they all know करके they all are fighting for the throne and बहुत सारा hate होता है and बहुत सारा bully होता है. and just पूरी book में I just don't get it. If they know they are the most powerful creature alive yet they allow to get bullied throughout the book is so messed up. Oh my god, no, I have to talk about this book because this book was so good. So if you are looking for a spicy romance novel in this moody rain, I think ye book is it. Oh my god, this was like breath of fresh air, refreshing characters and वही घटिया plot line नहीं था. No third act breakup ish हुआ था पर नहीं हुआ था. And I'm just so excited to talk about this one. So basically story is about this guy who is a chef at a restaurant. This girl बहुत अमीर होती है ये लड़की एंड सडनली उसके डैड पैसा कट ऑफ कर देते हैं उसके इससे. एंड द डैड इज़ लाइक, अगर तू इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं पढ़ रही है तो मैं तुझे पैसा नहीं दूंगा आगे फर्दर एजुकेशन के लिए. एंड दिस गर्ल इज़ लाइक, आई एम रियली गुड विद पेंटिंग, आई वांट टू परस्यू फाइन आर्ट्स. एंड ही इज़ लाइक नो. सो ही कम्प्लीटली कट्स हर ऑफ एंड शी इज़ लाइक, ठीक है आप मत दो पैसे, मैं कंटिन्यू करूँगी मेरा पढ़ाई. एंड शी मूव्स आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड नाउ शी हैज़ टू फाइंड अ जॉब. सो शी एंड्स अप at the restaurant waitressing and slowly they build up the relationship from there on. It's spicy and there is a lot of story as well. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ spice और spicy है, but story है. It was so good, like refreshingly so good. वही घिसा पिटा नहीं था plot line and just check it out. I'm gonna rate it around 4.7-ish stars. I loved it. Yeah. This big book 2 is where they explore further कि ये world में वो लोग सब लोग throne के लिए fight कर रहे हैं and now they finally see the real villain. The real villain is not the people who are fighting for the throne, it's the monsters that come in. तो ये monsters को nymphs बोलते हैं, NYPH, nymphs, जो basically once you die or once they kill you, shadows, once they kill you they can suck all the magic out of you and they adapt to that element. So if I'm fire, if they kill me, they'll take the fire element out of me and use it. Matlab now they have the fire element in themselves, and so it's just a I would rate it around 3.1 3.2 stars, much better than book 1, and I might as well continue with it. If you are new to fiction fantasy genre, if you're young bhi nahi, but like it is a YA-ish, there are a few spicy scenes in it, heads up for that. I just finished Play Along by Liz Tomford, and it's cute, easy, 4-star, fast pace nahi bolungi, but easy to read, smoothly well written book. कहीं कहीं ऐसा लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही लंबा हो रहा है, स्लो बर्न, एंड it reminded me a lot of this book. So basically this book is a part of 5-book series, and this is the 4th one. The first one was Mile High, I loved it. The second was Right Move. This book reminded me so much of Right Move. So there are 2 characters, Isaiah and Kennedy. Isaiah is a बेसबॉल प्लेयर एंड कैनेडी होती है स्पोर्ट्स मेडिसिन में काम कर रही होती है वो, शी इज़ अ मेडिकल डॉक्टर. बेसिकली स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है कि जो लड़का होता है इसाया, उसकी मॉम की डेथ हो जाती है, एंड ऑन द डेथ एनिवर्सरी दिस गाय इज़ इन द वुमेंस वॉशरूम, एंड वहाँ पे ही एक्सीडेंटली हियर्स दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन दीज 2 डॉक्टर्स. तो हेड ऑफ़ द डिपार्टमेंट होता है वो, ये लड़की को बोलता है, जो हमारी प्रोटैगनिस्ट है कैनेडी, कि यार आई एम सॉरी आई कैन नॉट ऑफर यू द रोल. टेक्निकली इट वाज बिकॉज वो लड़की है इसीलिए, एंड दिस हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट डॉक्टर सेज कि सिंस तू ही इकलौती लड़की है सो देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल बिकॉज द एंटायर टीम इज़ मेन ओनली. चलो सॉलिड रीड, आई एम गोना रेट इट अराउंड 4 star, easy 4 star. Like I love her books. It's been a week and I finally am able to finish the 3rd book in Zodiac Academy. It's called The Reckoning, and it keeps getting better. 3.5 star दे रही हूँ ये book को अभी मैं. As the book progresses it keeps getting better, and there's so much going on in this book in itself. They finally, so it's a bully romance apparently. मुझे part 3rd में आके पता चला करके ये bully romance है, वो भी फे and fairies के बीच में. And so now they are finally able to give their exams. पहले तो एक preliminary exam होती है वो before you get into the academy, and so you have to learn to mold your magic, and both are Vega twins. Both of these girls have all the 4 elements in their blood because of their king, their father, जो रूल करते थे the entire Solaris, the entire whatever kingdom, the continent of it. And so now they have to go through their reckoning, and also they have to but they are at the stage where they are transitioning into, they'll try and figure out if they can transition into a Pegasus, or if they can transition into a Khunkar dog, or a dragon, or what are they transitioning into, and they'll finally know that. So it ended with a high note where we finally know कि ये लोग transition क्या उनका क्या अवतार है, whatever, what are they at the end of the day, because the entire kingdom wants to know. And बेसिकली जिसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा पावर होता है, सो ड्रैगन इज़ सुप्रीम और एट द टॉप, एंड जिसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा पावर होता है वो ऊपर रूल करता है. एंड सो एवरीबडी वांटेड टू नो कि इन लोग का क्या होगा, ये लोग किस इसमें चेंज होंगे. एंड आई एम जस्ट it gets better, and I want to pick up another book. Hi, I just finished Shadow Princess Zodiac Academy Part 4 है, 4th book है. It was so good. It was so good. How do I even explain it without like putting any spoiler out there? This is where they finally come to terms with जो 3rd book ended on a pretty high note, and this book is like they're trying to catch up with the fallout of everything, and basically shadow princess एक new character है, and they try and rescue this shadow princess in book 4, and the Vega twins are again struggling with the shadows that have consumed them, and it's just, oh, the tension, the drama, the action. Finally I feel like, okay, yes, she's doing it. It's a 4-star read, easy 4-star. Like, it has gotten way better than 1, 2 and 3, and like I'm like seeing the action, and finally I can see the Vega twins split for the first time, and then they are doing the individual thing, but then it is said that if they are together then they are more powerful, but then finally we see them separate in this book, and then they come together eventually, but like it's so good to see them separately and then together. I loved it, and I also loved the romance. Oh my god, the romance. I'm here for Darcy, I'm here for Tori, I'm here for I don't even want to spoil who's what, and like just this one Vega twin. So there's this thing called as Elysian mates, and they mate for life basically, and when you find your mate, then you mate for life basically. And finally this girl Tori finds कौन उसका mate है, and oh god, I'm just so angry of how it ended up being, and like I'm like, now I want to pick up part 5. Oh god, let's do this. It was so good. The last book I read for the month of July was Cursed Fate, Zodiac Academy number 5, part 5 है ये, and I'm hooked. Easy 5-star बोल रही हूँ, 4-star read. 5-star नहीं है, oh my god, 5-star नहीं है, 4-star read, and it does get better. Like पहले 2-3 books are like, okay, you're floating, and boom, you're like, oh my god, you're there. 4-star, like a solid 4-star. It's just utter this मतलब it is absolutely chaos in this book. Chaos हो रहा है, and though I cannot talk more without further ruining or spoiling it for you guys, and so I'm gonna leave it at 4 stars. Again, there was this one very specific couple that I was rooting for, and like उनके साथ भी तबाही मची हुई है, and जो दूसरा couple है, जो दूसरा वेगा जिसके साथ है, दूसरी वेगा, उसके साथ भी तबाही मची हुई है, and I'm like, oh my god, give these girls a break. जेठालाल की literally किस्मत लेके आए, and like now I'm like stuck. I cannot stop reading because then I feel like I might forget it, and then there are times where I'm like, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रैग हो रहा है. क्यों? कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ प्लॉट ऐसे कुछ टेक्निकली प्लॉट है नहीं, सडनली प्लॉट आ जाता है, एंड सडनली एवरीबडी स्क्रैम्बलिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक अ कंसिस्टेंट बिल्डअप टूवर्ड्स समथिंग. बीच में से ही कोई विजन देखने लगता है, इसमें किसी को विजन आता है, कोई टैरो रीडिंग करता है, सडनली कुछ हो रहा है, एंड आई एम लाइक, ओह शिट. लाइक आप कंसिस्टेंट रहो ना, जो भी है. लाइक आई कीप गोइंग बैक टू हैरी पॉटर, एंड लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड even this book, it ends up on a high, कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाता है एंड में, and then they fight, and then वो final consequences उनको next book में वो लोग they have to gather themselves and फिर recuperate and recuperate whatever and get together and just calm down, and वो consequence deal करना पड़ता है next book में. And that's how pretty much all the books have been, including the last, this one, Cursed Fate. I'm just I'm tired, honestly. I wish she should have, like, they would have these 2 authors of this book, Zodiac Academy, 2 author है ये book के. I wish they would have just stopped at number 5 or number 6, but they go on until 9, and I'm just losing my patience is where I'm at now. This was it for month of July. I want to quickly talk about the TBR for the month of August. I don't have a big TBR. Number 1 is The 7-Year Slip, Dostoevsky ki White Knight, Normal People. The next 3 books have already been read and loved by me, but I want to still go back to this world. Things We Left Behind. I just miss this couple so much, and I might just go back. Then The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak. Obsessed. If you wanna cry, you wanna pick this up. Book Tomorrow by Gabrielle Sevens. Again, I'm obsessed with this woman. The story is incredible. The writing is incredible. So these were read, but I want to reread them. And so TBR छोटा रखूँगी, बहुत नहीं रखूँगी ये बार. I'm an exceptional mood reader. तो मैं बोल तो रही हूँ ये पढ़ूँगी, पर शायद I might not even end up reading. So we'll see. I have to finish the series Zodiac Academy right now, so I'm on already started another one, but we're going to talk about that in the next reading wrap up. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you were still here till the end, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.